I don't think we get it. I don't think we understand what wealth really is. We keep talking about getting to the bag, getting to the bag. But is that all you want? Is the bag? Is that all you think you deserve is the bag? See, I don't want the bag. Because what happens when the bag runs out? You got to go get another one, and another one, and another one. I don't want the bag. The bag is a single solitary source of riches. It's not repeatable. It's not dependable. The bag is a hustle. I don't want the bag. I want the tree. I want the thing that produces fruit. I want the thing that can feed me over and over and over again. I want the thing that lasts for generation after generation. That's the difference between rich and wealthy. That's the mindset. That's the kind of thinking you need to be on. And so today, I want to talk about the wealth mindset. The value of $1 lies in the hands of the holder. The value of $1 lies in the hands of the holder. $1 is meaningless to a child. A teenager might know the amount, but they don't understand the cost. A lot of people know the cost, but they don't understand the value. And the people that know the value of $1 don't always know how to put it to work. The value of $1 lies in the hands of the holder. One person might take $1 and spend it on something that harms them, that contributes to their life in a negative way, like drugs or alcohol. Another person might take that $1 and spend it on pleasures. Somebody else might take that $1 and save it. And another person might see an opportunity and take that $1 and invest it. And so the $'s value is determined by the person in possession of it. At the core of Melonomics, the idea is to understand what wealth really is. Economics is the study of how people interact with value. And at the source of anything of value is someone or something creating that value. The wealth. Whether it's the land that holds the real estate or the company that represents the stock, there is always a foundational source that is responsible for the value of the asset. And the most fundamental and foundational source of everything that we're doing is us. We make all of this stuff happen. You are the wealth. And the wealth mindset is the recognition that you are the most valuable thing that you possess. Not your portfolio, not your account, not your business. If you take the wealthiest person in the world and you take everything from them, still they are armed with the knowledge, the wisdom, the habits, the discipline, the drive, and the relationships necessary to recreate what they lost. And you cannot duplicate that. No matter what you choose to do to create wealth, you are the source of the execution. You are the source of the vision. You're the one that has to make it happen. And so once you understand that, your mindset changes. You become empowered because now it's on you. It's not about the market. It's not about the economy. It's not about the recession. It's about you.